back.
Did you get a rocking horse? Do you remember that? Santa must have seen you playing on that, huh?
Throw that leg over.
Oh, that's
there
right.
you go.
That's how you do it.
Whee!
Look at there.
Hold on.
Hold on, buddy. Woo!
Ride a horsey.
What sound does a horse make, Ben?
Oh my goodness.
What's a horse again?
It sounds like a donkey. Ee-haw. Ee-haw. Is it fun? God, I just didn't really like that so much, huh?
He really liked it. Yeah.
It's donkey.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's donkey.
It's a donkey? Okay.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
Well, is that the sleeping bag down there? Oh, boy.
I like this over.
You knocked those over?
I like good over.
A strike? Did you get a strike? I need to turn my air down. Is that fun? You can put it wherever you want. It's yours. Is it fun? Funny boy.
Is that fun, Ben?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oh my goodness, he's good.
What's the donkey say? Here's Mickey. Mickey wants to give you a toy.
Mickey wants to press. What? Are you racing? Are you coming in first?